Don't interfere in my private affairs. I'm not at all afraid of you. I'm so sick of this. Stay away from me. What is this, students? These are angry sentences. Students, often we use these sentences in anger, but always we use Hindi sentences to express anger. Yes, students? In this video, I'm going to teach you 70 plus angry sentences in English. Now you can express your anger by using these sentences and you can develop your personality with this. But as a teacher, I want to tell you students, your anger is your biggest enemy. So you should control it. Get some exercise. Think before you speak. Express your anger when you are calm. I took these sentences just for your knowledge, not for fighting. So students, now you can enhance your speaking skill by watching this video. So watch it till the end. So let's get started.
The following sentence is अब तुम मेरे दुश्मन हो गए हो. Yes friends, English translation is now you turned against me. Now you turned against me. Next one is तुम बड़े गुस्सैल हो. Gussal means angry person. You can say you are very hot tempered. You are very hot tempered. Next, मैं तुम्हारी सब करतूतें जानती हूँ. How will speak you in English? I know all your mistakes. I know all your mistakes. Next, तुम अपनी बात पर अड़े रहोगे इसलिए अब इस बात को छोड़ दो. You will not change your mind, so forget it. You will not change your mind, so forget it. Next, हमारे बीच कुछ बातों को लेकर असहमति है. Yes, English translation is we have our differences. Or friends, you can say we don't agree on some issues. We don't agree on some issues. Next, oh, तो समस्या यहाँ है. Yes, oh, that's where the shoe pinches. Oh, that's where the shoe pinches. Next sentence is बेहतर होगा हम इस पर अधिक ध्यान ना दें. Let's not give undue importance to this. Let's not give undue importance to this. Next, अब लड़ाई खत्म करो. Announce a ceasefire now. Friends, it's a not ceasefire, it's a ceasefire. हिंदी मीनिंग इज युद्ध विराम. मैं कुछ दिनों से देख रही हूँ आप मुझसे उखड़े उखड़े रहते हो. I have been looking for a few days that you abstain me. I have been looking for a few days that you abstain me. Next one is मैं इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं जानती. I can make neither head nor tail of it. I can make neither head nor tail of it. तुमने मेरे साथ लड़ाई शुरू कर दी. You began to fight with me. You can say you began to fight with me. तुमने मुझे अंधेरे में रखा. You kept me in the dark. You kept me in the dark. घुमा फिरा के बात मत करो. Don't mince word, or you can say friends, be straightforward. Don't mince words or be straightforward. Next sentence is चुल्लू भर पानी में डूब मरो. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. मन घड़त कहानी मत बनाओ. Don't cook up a story. Don't cook up a story. Next, जहाँ से आए हो वहीं चले जाओ. Go whence you come. Go whence you come. Whence means जहाँ से. Next, तुम होश में नहीं हो. You are not in your senses. You are not in your senses. Next, मैं तुम्हारी खाल उधेड़ दूंगा या दूंगी। I will tear you apart. I will tear you apart. मैं तुम्हें मिट्टी में मिला दूंगा या दूंगी। I will mix you in mud. I will mix you in mud. Next sentence is मैं अपमान बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता। I can't bear with this insult. I can't bear with this insult. Next, आवेश में मत आओ। Don't lose your temper. Don't lose your temper. Moving to our next sentence. जैसा करोगे वैसा भरोगे। As you sow, so will you reap. As you sow, so will you reap. तुम्हारी तो सूरत देखना भी पाप है। It's a sin even to see your face. It's a sin even to see your face. Next, तुम्हारी कड़वी जुबान है। You have a bitter tongue. You have a bitter tongue. Next sentence is तुम नहीं सुधरोगे। तुम नहीं सुधरोगे। You won't change. You won't change. Want is contraction of will not. उसे अपनी औकात में रहना चाहिए। He should be in his limit. He should be in his limit. Next, तुमने सबको हिला दिया है। You have stunned everyone. You have stunned everyone. होने को कौन टाल सकता है? Who can change the destiny? Who can change the destiny? Next, वह हमेशा मेरे रास्ते में टांग अड़ाता है। He always stands in my way. He always stands in my way. तुमने सारा खेल बिगाड़ दिया। You spoiled the whole game. You spoiled the whole game. मुझे इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। It doesn't make any difference to me. It doesn't make any difference to me. Next, मैंने उसे सिर पर चढ़ाया है। I have pampered him. I have pampered him. Next sentence is मेरा सिर मत खाओ। Don't nag me. Don't nag me. Next one is हर चीज की हद होती है। There is a limit for everything. There is a limit for everything. मैं तुमसे कभी बात नहीं करूंगी। I will never talk to you. I will never talk to you. The following sentence is तुम इस गलती के लिए बाद में पछताओगे। You will regret later for this mistake. You will regret later for this mistake. Next sentence is मुझे परेशान करना बंद करो। Stop annoying me. Stop annoying me. Next, मुझे धमकी मत दो। Don't threaten me. Don't threaten me. Next sentence is Next one is मैं तुम्हें बहुत झेल चुका हूँ। I have had enough of you. Friends, VE contraction of the have. You can say I have had enough of you. I have had enough of you. तुम मुझे क्यों नहीं समझते? Why don't you understand me? Why don't you understand me? मुझे आपको सब कुछ समझाने की जरूरत नहीं है। English translation is I don't need to explain you everything. I don't need to explain you everything. Next, तुम इस मामले से दूर रहो। You stay out of this. You stay out of this. Next sentence is मैं इससे बहुत पक चुका हूँ या चुकी हूँ। I am so sick of this. I am so sick of this. मूविंग टू आवर नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. बहाने बनाना बंद करो. Stop making excuses. You can see stop making excuses. Next sentence is तुम इतने बेरहम क्यों हो रहे हो? Why are you being so cruel? Why are you being so cruel? The following sentence is मुझे घूरना बंद करो. Stop staring at me. Stop staring at me. Next sentence is यह बहुत नाइंसाफ़ी है. Often we use this sentence, friends. Yes, how will speak you? This is so unfair. This is so unfair. Next, उसे सबक सिखाने की ज़रूरत है. He needs to be taught a lesson. He needs to be taught a lesson. Next, तुम किसी काम के नहीं हो. You are good for nothing. You are good for nothing. Moving to our next sentence. उसे यहाँ से बाहर निकालो. Get him out of here. Get him out of here. Yes, friends. Next. यह मेरा फैसला है. इससे आपका कोई लेना देना नहीं है. It's my decision. It has nothing to do with you. It's my decision. It has nothing to do with you. भले ही तुम मुझे मार दो, लेकिन यह मैं नहीं करूँगा. Even if you kill me, I won't do it. Friends, won't is contraction of will not. Even if you kill me, I won't do it. मेरी मर्जी सबसे ऊपर है. My will is supreme. Friends, here is the meaning of will, मर्जी. My will is supreme. तुम मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं हो. You are nobody for me. You are nobody for me. The following sentence is तुम्हारी आवाज़ मुझे गुस्सा दिलाती है. Your voice annoys me. Your voice annoys me. Next sentence is मुझसे दूर रहो. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Next sentence is मेरी सब्र की परीक्षा मत लो. Don't test my patience. You can say Don't test my patience. Next, हद हो गई है. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Moving to our next sentence. Yes, मुझे तुम्हारी शक्ल दोबारा मत दिखाना. Don't show me again your ugly face. Don't show me again your ugly face. Next one is मैं तुम्हारा मुंह तोड़ दूंगा या दूंगी. I'll smash your face. I'll smash your face. Next. क्या तुम चुप नहीं हो सकते? Yes, friends. Often we use this sentence ना. Can't you keep your mouth shut? Can't you keep your mouth shut? Next one is क्या तुम मेरी बात नहीं सुनोगे? Will you not listen to me? Will you not listen to me? Moving to our next sentence. आपकी मौजूदगी की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Your presence is not required. You can see, friends, your presence is not required. Next, क्या यह तुम्हारे बाप की है? Does it belong to your dad? Does it belong to your dad? Next sentence is तुम मेरे लिए हो ही नहीं. तुम मेरे लिए हो ही नहीं. You don't exist for me. You don't exist for me. Next one is मैं तुमसे बिल्कुल भी नहीं डरती. I am not at all afraid of you. I am not at all afraid of you. Next sentence is मैं तुम्हें कैसे समझाऊं? How should I explain to you? How should I explain to you? Next sentence is अपनी सलाह अपने पास रखो. Keep your advice to yourself. Keep your advice to yourself. Next sentence is मुझे और गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. Yes, often we use this sentence now. Don't irritate me any further. Don't irritate me any further. Next, मेरे निजी मामलों में टांग मत अड़ाओ. Don't interfere in my private affairs. Don't interfere in my private affairs. Next one is मैं अपनी मर्जी की करूँगा या करूँगी. You can say I will have my own way. I will have my own way. Next, वैसे तुम्हारी किसको ज़रूरत है? Yes, who wants you by the way? Who wants you by the way? सावधान, दोबारा मत बोलना. Beware, don't utter it again. Beware, don't utter it again. Yes, next. उस समय तो मैं गुस्सा पी गया. How will speak you in English, friends? I bottled my anger at that moment. I bottled my anger at that moment. Next, मुझे घूरना बंद करो. Stop staring at me. Stop staring at me.